I'm going to show you a method of making about $100 to about $500 on a daily basis through this simple technique. Hi, my name is Marlon McLeod, and you are on Freedom Guider, the platform that we focus on having the correct mindset, various marketing techniques, and motivational speeches that keeps you highly inspired so you can get your financial freedom. If it's the first time on my channel, please hit the subscription button and hit the notification icon so that I can send you the videos I produce on a daily basis, which will increase your knowledge of making money through the internet. This is my YouTube channel where I take you through various techniques of leveraging the internet to make a passive and an active income. So pass by, see the various videos that I have, and most importantly, you can go to any of my videos like this, right click, and go below in the description section and you'll get access to my free ebook. Let me just show you here, free ebook here. I recommend that you download it, use it, understand it, and implement it. And guys, please give me your comments in the bottom, any questions, any feedback, give it to me in the feedback section below this video. So let's go. Now, in this video, I'm going to use at least 2 platforms. Now, let me show you something. Now, here we have a diagram. 1 minute. Now, here we have a diagram here where we have 2 ends. Here is the project section. That means we need to find someone that is in need of a project completion. And we need another end where we find someone to complete the job. So here we have 1. The person that is in need of the job is willing to pay from about $100 to about $1,000 for that particular project. Then we have on the other side someone that is willing to do the project on our behalf. So he'll be charging us, say, about $5 to about, let me just add this. 1 minute, let me just add this. So he'll be charging, say, from $5 to, say, $600 for his service. We will be the middleman where we pocket the difference between the 2. So you might be wondering, where can we get projects? Where can we get people to complete these projects? I know you might not have much experience in various techniques of using the internet. So we're going to go to these 2 amazing platforms, which is Freelancer. Yes. Now, Freelancer is a platform that you can get projects or you can complete jobs. So you're going to need this platform to find jobs that people have to complete. Then you're going to need another platform, which is Fiverr, to find the difference between the 2 and to pocket the cash that's between. So say, for example, we go to this amazing platform of Freelancer. I always recommend that you scroll around and you get used to each of these platforms that I'm introducing to you. Guys, do not skip any of this clip because I'll be giving you tips and tricks here and there. And most importantly, I'm going to give you a bonus section at the end. So stick with me right through. Give me a like and subscribe and let's continue. So what you can do when you come to Freelancer, you can navigate around. Anything that comes to mind, you can type it in. For example, if you're interested in websites, for example, you type websites and see the options that come up. Now here we have freelancers. So what you can do, just pass through to get a general idea of what's going on, what the freelancers are requesting to be done, and also look at the projects that are needed to be completed. So I've gone ahead and I've found a few projects that has to be completed. This is a bit high, but this is only for an example. So here we have looking for an animator for 5-minute short video or film. And this person is willing to pay between $10,000 to $20,000. Guys, money's on this platform, so you have to get on the game, get into the market, and monetize this method of making money. So this person is willing to pay, say, about $10,000 to $20,000 for a completed film of about 5 minutes. Other projects, you have 1-minute 3D custom explainer animation video. He's willing to pay between $30 to $250. That's good. You can go down and scroll down. Then what you need to do, you need to copy this. Sorry, I want to copy this. What you need to do, copy the needed job over to Fiverr. Now, Fiverr is similar to freelancers. So what you do, you find the difference between the two, communicate with the people on each. Here you'll communicate by finding a freelancer. So you'll go, you can type 3D logo animation or the exact written description that's there. For example, an animator for a 5-minute short film. Click search. And you'll see various people that are willing to do a job starting from about 10. Some people are from about $5 at least. So it's up to you to scroll around and find the cheaper or the cheapest freelancer that is willing to create this small film for the project. So say that we go here, we get aware with the amount of information that is needed within the project. We're going to then copy and paste the requirements onto Fiverr. We're going to debate. We're going to try 1 minute. We're going to try and debate where here there is, say, 33 bids. So you have to go and put a bid that's a bit lower than the current bid. Let me try to go in. So here, project is restricted. You have at least, okay. Yeah, no problem. Yes. So what you do, you go and you put a bid in. Get familiar with the amount of bids. Look at this. 17 hours are left. 33 bids. So the bid starts from about 10,000 to about 20,000, which is the most. You're going to bid for this 10,000 or even less. Because if you're new in the market, you have to, go below the normal standard in order to prove yourself. So what you do, you go through, see the number of hours that are already, how many bids are placed, and you try to bid something that's lower. So say that, let me just take you back to this diagram. Say that the person is willing to pay $1,000 for this particular project. You will then have to go to Fiverr to find someone who is willing to work, say, for $100, $200. And you can do this for more than one project. The market is open. So what you have to do, take action now. Leave a comment in the bottom that you're loving the video. Guys, please, in the feedback section, write, I'm loving the video. I am loving the video. Thank you. Yes, so here we have, so we're going to pocket the difference between the two. So it goes on and on. You just go, scroll around, type videos, see what the projects are of different projects, see the needs. Now, create an audio virtual isometric image. So this is willing to, okay, the person is about willing to give from about $30 to $250. So you're going to copy this. I would recommend copying it, which is let me just 1 minute. We're going to copy this. Then we're going to go to Fiverr and we're going to scroll around, navigate, get familiar with each system and speak to people, introduce yourself and negotiate. Everyone wants to make money. So you have to keep a balance with the two platforms. So again, you're going to go here, copy and paste the requirements, search, see what's coming up and so forth. Now here it says no service for that searched item. So you have to go to another project section and choose something that you can find that is doable on both. So say that we go to the section where YouTube content ban. Then we're going to copy this. Give it a few seconds to populate. Copy this. Go to Fiverr, which is here. Give it a few seconds to populate so we can find people. So here, all these individuals are willing to produce for you a YouTube content video. So you have to go here, negotiate. I will create a YouTube content, top video creation here for $15. So this person here is willing to pay about 10 to 30. Another person might be willing to pay about 200 to 50, and it goes on and on. Come on this platform, scroll around, use your thoughts and your mind and your energy to find people that are willing to give you a job, debate with them, go into the bidding section. Then when you find something that you are able to complete in an effective and the proper timing, what you do, you go over Fiverr and you find someone that will do the job for you for cheap. When a payment is done, you keep the difference. So that was the point of this section of the video. Now let's go to the other section of the video, which is related to the bonus. And guys, do not forget to download the ebook that I have recommended below this video, and also look at the various link below this video. Yes, now in the bonus section, I will strongly highlight that 2020 is one of the best time to leverage the power of the internet to have a passive income. So it's your time to make a change in your life. Quit your job or take up online marketing as a side time hustling job. In order to do that, you have to be knowledge based. And that's what brings me over to the course of Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is a platform that takes you step by step tutorials of making money throughout the internet. They will allow you to promote their products. They will teach you how to promote their products. They will give you the necessary information and background knowledge that you need to be successful as an online marketer. So kindly pass over to this amazing platform where they take you through free ways of promoting products, the paid version of promoting products, and much more. They'll even take you through tutorials of various successful entrepreneurs, procedure of getting to their levels that they have reached. So here we have a 15-day course that I recommend that you pass. The program is run by Dave Sharp. Guys, do not be cheap. You have to invest. Do not be someone that just focus on the cheap and the free method all your life. You have to invest your cash and your time and energy in the proper platform, and Legendary Marketer is the one for you and me. I'm currently a part of the program, and I'm learning a lot, implementing and learning. So pass by and see what this amazing platform has to give to you. Now, I'll highlight something to you. Now, the product section is just amazing. Here you have the marketing club, omni branding formula, which is very important, digital products that I request you to come and see. Let me take you to the marketing club. In the marketing club, you have various videos that have been completed with speakers such as Kevin, Mark, Nathan. This guy's the top guy. He has an amazing YouTube channel, and I recommend that you pass by. Nathan Lucas. Now, in this interview with Nathan, Nathan shows you his step-by-step journey that made him into a millionaire. So pass by, watch the videos, and take a piece of paper and write. It's important that you write and take action after watching each of these videos. Extremely important. Another section you have is the area of understanding paid ads. Very important in this time. You might get tired of using the free method, and the other option is paid ads. So, guys, I hope you have found this video informative and extremely amazing. Links are below, so take the best opportunity of this time and age to leverage the internet with the time of 2020, and let's make some cash together? Give me your feedback in the section. Do not forget to subscribe and like and share with at least 3 of your friends. At this time, I think there were 2 videos that we'll be posting. So you can try this amazing option of making cash through freelancers with a collaboration of Fiverr. And at the end, if this does not suit you, I recommend that you go ahead with a course of Legendary Marketer so you have the proper knowledge of monetizing the internet. So my name is Marlon McLeod with you on Freedom Guider. Hope to see you in my next video, which is tomorrow. So keep it real. See you later. Bye.